Hello everyone, this is a new video tutorial, a really tiny short tutorial about how to install the Microsoft fonts on ArchLinux. And I'm going to show you what is the easiest way to do that. If you go to the web page of ArchLinux to our, you can search for ttf-ms fonts. This is the most common fonts related to Microsoft if you want to some kind of compatibility. If you want to install a video game, for example, or if you are using the library office using a file created on Microsoft Office and you want some kind of compatibility and try to avoid some kind of problem, and also for some web page created with Microsoft fonts, etc., etc. So if you have to go here to the terminal, for example, and search for ttf-ms, for example, and you can see there are many fonts. You can see the Windows 10 fonts, Windows 8, and other kind of, I think there was Vista, also Vista for over there. But the most common thing, the most common one is ttf-ms. How it's called, ttf-ms fonts. So yeah, just like that, JS ttf-ms fonts, and it's going to install all the common fonts. You can see all the ones. Let me increase here. You have the generic, also other ones like fake Microsoft fonts. That is another kind of not the official ones. Is, I think, is some kind of unofficial. Then you have the Windows 10, Windows 8, and other kind of languages related. Maybe you not do not need that, but I don't know. The Windows 7, and I think there was a Windows Vista, but I don't remember. But the most common thing, and it includes all the fonts related to Microsoft, at least the most popular ones, and I think it's enough in order to have some kind of compatibility when you are going to use the library office or a video game from Wine, especially Wine, and also some kind of programs, strange programs that you want to install. You need also the Microsoft fonts, because there are some programs that they have been ported from Microsoft, only available for Windows, and they need also Microsoft fonts maybe. So choose one. The first one is ttf-ms-fonts, and that's it. And then you can see here to show you the what it's going to do, for example. So you can press this to show yes, I think. Okay, and it's going to compile to download all the fonts, compile the package for Linux, and it's going to install to the folder or with the rest of the fonts on your system. So yeah. Okay, the installation finished, and if you can check, if you want to check the where are the fonts, the Microsoft fonts, you can go to user. I think it's in share fonts. Yeah, indeed, and all the fonts you can see here: TTF, Noto, JS fonts, Cantarell, and I think it's in TTF. Is there? Yeah, indeed, Arial, Comic, yeah, Times. I think this is Times New Roman, etc., etc. So you have your Microsoft fonts include in your Linux operating system, especially Arch Linux, in case you were wondering how to install the Microsoft fonts in Arch Linux. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, yeah, don't forget to press like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to enable notifications in case you want to stay up to date with my channel. So that's it, guys. Thank you.